Hi guys, welcome to a glimpse of Lindt Home of Chocolate, a popular destination located in Zurich, Switzerland. This museum opened in 2020 and it is home to the history of chocolate, chocolate shop and cafe. And it is 23 minutes train ride from Zurich HB station to reach the Lindt Home of Chocolate. The centerpiece of the factory is the world's largest chocolate fountain which stands 9 meters tall. And this fountain flows with real chocolate. Visitors can also watch the chocolate making process in action and even can participate in hands-on workshops. From this Lindt chocolate shop, visitors can buy various products which might not be available elsewhere. Please press the bell icon to stay tuned for more updates, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. The design of the shelves complements the overall modern and luxurious feel of the Lindt Home of Chocolate, making it a paradise for chocolate lovers. The Lindt Home of Chocolate visitors can enjoy the pick and mix section, which is a favorite for many. Additionally, there are pre-packaged assortments available in beautiful gift boxes, making it easy to purchase chocolates for the loved ones. This is definitely an excellent way to share the Swiss chocolate experience with friends and family back home. Thank you so much for watching till the end and stay tuned for more updates. Bye bye. See you next time.